Hey traders, it's Leaf West. I thought I'd do a quick video on support levels and the pattern that I see in the spiders right now. This is a daily chart, and you can see sort of an ascending wedge. It tricked me a couple times earlier with whether it was going to break out or not. But as if you go back to really to the start of this third wave higher, uh, this is sort of, I think, the correct drawing of that wedge. Anyways, once I zoom in, again, this is a daily chart. Once I zoom in to a closer viewpoint, you're going to see a couple things. So here, these white lines are the trend lines for that wedge. So support today, first thing on the wedge, will be about 139.57, and I see that oh, this better's a bounce. So it's 140, around 40.15. So down about $1, but slightly above that level. But I think you're going to see selling after the first push, first little bounce that we get this morning. These are the 10-minute control bar values, and the bottom one is at 139.27. The top one was at 141.78. And how I use those control bar values really is to see what side of these lines the action is. So we couldn't hold above there 2 days ago. We broke down, we broke back below yesterday morning, and we couldn't get back above. So that tells me that this is major resistance now. And now we want to see if this will be support. So we have the ascending wedge as first support, and then we have this 10-minute trend line, which is at 139.27. And then I drew a Fibonacci retracement grid off of the last sort of more major corrective wave in this move higher, and I get a 50% support level at 138.29, which is this green line, and that's just above sort of the resistance line of this prior move, which is right around sort of 138-ish level, 137.90, 138. So that's where I see support coming in, and how I sort of look at this, if I were to draw lines, is to say that this move off of this, I don't know if you want to call it a double top or an overthrow or what do you want to call it, but anyways, if I draw first move down in the first leg, oops, let's draw it better. So there's A, B, and now we're going to draw, I think, down, probably down to this trend line support. That's the first move down. Now, then I think we're going to get a bounce, which people are going to say buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips, and we're going to fail at this B high, or maybe you might even get up towards the control bar value, and that'll be bigger A down, bigger B higher, and I think you're going to see a bigger C down into this level, into either this support level here, just above the prior resistance, which will become support, and then you'll get people short, get all the weak sort of long bullish players out of the market, and then you're going to have, I think, one more kick at the can for a move higher. Whether we make a new high or whether we make another top here at the prior sort of resistance level is to be seen. But I think that's how it's going to play out. That's my 2 cents worth. So I hope you have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.